Your teacher may be sending you an activity that they want you to write on, which sometimes gets pretty tricky on the iPad. So I'm going to show you a trick. This is an activity that I need to write on, so I'm going to tap Add Response. And then here's my activity. Now, it's hard for me to use my finger and write in that space and have enough space to finish my writing. So what I'm going to do is erase that. And I'm going to use this icon up at the top that looks like a magnifying glass with a plus sign. That's going to enlarge the background picture. When I tap on that, it shows me the picture of my activity, and I'm going to tap on the plus sign, and it makes the activity picture larger. I want that to be even bigger, so I'm going to tap on it again. Then what I want to do is I want to move it around so that I can write exactly where I need to. You can't move your fingers around on the screen because it'll just draw on there. So what I'm going to do is come up into this box up here. There we go. And that white box shows you what you've enlarged. So I'm just going to move that around. Now I can use my finger or my stylus to write what I want to. And it's a little bit easier rather than using that large screen. When I'm finished, I'm going to come up here and tap the magnifying glass with the plus sign again to make it go back to where I want it. Then I can submit it to my teacher.